Okay, the definition of love, actually in 25 years, I have gone through full definition of love only. So it's quite difficult. The word love has been quite brainstorming for me, but I believe in Jesus' greatest commandment, that is, love is to love the other as yourself. ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನೋವು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, that is not love. And you have to always think about the other person's suffering if you really love them. It can't be mine, naan matra. That's not love. That is some business transaction. So if you are ready, that is why love is very difficult. Success and all is so difficult. Money making is so difficult. But love is the one that makes everybody loving music. Because break heart break. That is because love is very, very, very precious. And that can happen only when you are selflessly giving love. Otherwise, no way. It's not love. No, I have done many things in life. And eager other plan martini. Now I want to go back to acting. I've done full circle. After this, I did at least 20 movies in different languages as heroine. Many success in UP and Bihar, different places. But Appa Amma always said you have to study, and I went on studying. I did my masters. I got a gold medal for masters. Then the professor said, "You PhD ಮಾಡಬೇಕು." ಅಯ್ಯೋ sir, PhD is not for me. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ intelligent ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನಲ್ಲ. But they said, no, Amadi. And then I finished my PhD with a lot of hard work, not simply. It's not an honorary, it's actual PhD. Uh, Thesis, I did something with India and US, how India can gain from the US growth in food processing, in agriculture, right? So I have gone to Idi Karnataka, different villages, Hogi. I have been with the farmers right there. Gulbarga, Hubli, Ella Kadem, stayed in agricultural produce market committee for 1 month. So, Adike, I want to tell you that Karnataka and me is connected. So I worked in Sony Entertainment, Sony Pictures in distribution. I have distributed more than 50 films. So Nangottu as an artist is not enough. Real heroes also are the producer and the distributor. It is very hard. We make 3,000 movies in India. Only 500, 600 are reaching the theater. And out of that, only 20, 30 are becoming hit. Papa Bere ellam chena madidare. So we have only few theaters. So I know the tondre to get a theater. So nanu I become like a guy when I'm doing distribution. PVR ellam our gottu. They know me as, they don't know that I'm Chandini. Because I look like boy also I behave. Two split personality. So then suddenly yaru direct bandre lipstick haktini. But that's then I also taught. I introduced the first MBA program in media and entertainment with Manipal University and Subhash Ghai's Institute, and I graduated more than 1,000 students, all from Karnataka, who came to Bombay. They would come. They were our teacher, yaru anta Chandni madam. They used to ask me, but full attendance. No, full attendance illa. Avarku tumba baya. Nanu ade same character ಇದೆ. First ಅವರು ಪಾಪ so sweet. Then I said, no, you have to study. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ MBA ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. So that is what it is, and that is my journey. ಈಗ I'm moving. Going to be in Bangalore. I'm going to have a house here. I'll be there, so you'll see more of me at least 2 or 3 weeks. And I have to work now on the next one. So if there is any good offers, I will do. Thank you, Tumba. Thank you. Can I? Yeah, I'm not yet married. Because a film has spoiled my head about love. Yeah, and nangottu that love and marriage and the sacrifice irbeku. And I've read that how God loves human beings, ashte you have to love your spouse. That's very difficult. So the moment I'm ready on that, but I have somebody, I think, even now I'm thinking. I think I have somebody in my mind. Yeah. So I'm thinking. Yeah, I hope. Other ide, but nange baya alla. Suppose either there's some slapping, hitting. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ I'm just joking, but I have seen also ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ friends ಎಲ್ಲ. I know that it's a great commitment, but if you commit, you get benefit of it. You're not alone. So alone ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. But since I was busy with so many things, but ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I have somebody in mind. Maybe next time you will see him. Let's see how it is. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. So can I have the A team on the stage? We'll take one photograph. Then you must have something. And thank you so much. Can I give the gifts to? Huh? Yeah. Can. Yeah. Can we have, I have a small, from A team, we have a small token of appreciation to all of you. So,